All right guys, I'm gonna do a little quick tip on how to properly install new emblems on your vehicle. So this is a 2024 Chevrolet Silverado. We got the black emblem that we're gonna be installing. We can get this for you if you like. So what we like to do is mask everything off, right? Not super close, but just to where you can line everything up. Another thing that I'm going to suggest to do, because once you remove this, you got to use the rubber wheel to remove all the adhesive so you can stick on the new one. You got to mark where you need to be. When you use a wire wheel, you might take off some of this edging and you're going to be like, shoot, where do I need to be? So what I like to do is just get a card, line it up to this S right here, and I like to mark it all the way up. And then you do a few of these, just in case that rubber wheel takes some of them out. You're gonna know at least kind of where you need to be. I just like to do the last two. And when you take them off with the rubber wheel, well, you just gotta be real careful. Now, it took some time for me to learn to do this way, so just be careful. Go ahead and push pause, Maria, please. All right, guys, so the next step would be to just grab yourself some fishing wire, right? You gotta get a pretty good thick size. And then you can either add heat to it if you like, but with this one, I'm not gonna add heat. So what you're gonna wanna do is just come in and just slowly take your time. Take your time. Don't worry about these little rubbing areas, because this is all gonna come out once we buff everything out. Okay? So what you're gonna get left over is this adhesive right here. All right, push pause. All right, so now that you got all that taken apart, get yourself a little rubber wheel. Set it to like slow mode so that way you don't have any issues. And right here is where you got to be extremely careful, because if you're not careful, guys, you can actually burn your clear with this stuff pretty bad. So I'll tell you from experience. What you want to do is just get a good angle. And just take your time with it. There's no rush. I mean, if you're in a hurry to do your personal car, that's up to you. But with me, this is a customer's car. I got to be extremely careful. I'm in it to make money, not to lose money. So look at how pretty clean that kind of removed there. Well, that's just glue still, but once I hit it with the last cleaner, that'll all clear up. But you see how this tape is coming off right here? So that's why I like to leave my marks. Let's do one more. Okay, push pause, right? All right, so that takes a little minute, so we had to just push pause. So now we got we grab goof off. And then you just kind of put some little elbow grease into this part here. And just like that, see those little sores from earlier? It's just a little bit of glue from the fish wire. The glue gets stuck on there. All right, so on this point, if you do a good job, sometimes you don't even have to buff it out. As long as you line everything up correctly, bam, you'll be on there in no time. But give me 1 sec, let me go ahead and buff that out just a bit. All right, guys, we got it all buffed out, nice and cleared. Yourself a little alcohol. Clear that area. Clean it. And now when it comes down to this, you want to peel the back half of it. Now remember, we still have our lines. You see how some of them kind of faded out? That's why you got to mark every line where it needs to be. Hold your horses. Quick pause. Now you just gotta line this up to as best as you can. So these ends are gonna be my lines right here. All right, once you have everything where it needs to be, clear your area. What I'll do is I'll get another rag. With a little wax and make that puppy shine. Let's go. D's Garage.